Big dreams in Dubai. Well, friends, Dubai is full of opportunity. Every single day, arrive here with big hopes, looking for better job, a better future, a better life. Some get lucky, some don't. And you know what? It's not always about skills. It's about how you present yourself. Let me tell you something important. It's not just what you know. It's how you show it. In Dubai, if you know how to present yourself smartly, you have already taken a big step forward. I'm here to help you, my friends. My name is Shahid Bashir. I'm a marketing professor. I'm here to help you use simple marketing ideas to promote yourself the smarter way, just like the businesses do. Even if you are on a visit visa, series will help you stand out and get noticed. Important for all 2025 job seekers, starting June 30, 2025, Dubai made some new rules for looking for jobs. Now companies want clear skills, smart presentation, and a professional attitude. It's tougher now, but it's not definitely impossible. With the right approach, you can still win. What you will learn playlist is definitely for you. In series, I will share real tips that work. Here is what we are going to learn together step by step. How to present yourself like a product using simple marketing ideas, why many job seekers fail in Dubai and what you can do differently, how to write a CV that really sells your skill, what recruiters in Dubai are really looking for, how to grow your LinkedIn profile and get noticed, the step by step journey from sending your CV to getting hired, how to answer interview and show your true value, common mistakes make when searching for jobs in Dubai, easy AI tool that you can use today to make your job hunt better. Don't worry, it's super easy to follow. Each video is short, friendly, and full of practical advice you can use right now. If you are job hunting in Dubai, especially in 2025, series is just for you. Ready to start? All right, friends, here is what to do. Click subscribe, tap the bell so that you don't miss tomorrow's videos, and share with your friends who are also looking for job hunting in Dubai. You are more than just a job seeker. You are not just looking for work. You are a brand, a story, a talent. Let's market you to the success together as friends. Thank you.